You grew up in a world that encourages being online, expressing emotions, and maintaining a consistent personal brand around the clock. Every opinion is loud, every feeling is made public, and every moment is treated as content. In contrast, there is a generation that learned differently. Those born roughly between 1965 and 1980, often overlooked between the baby boomers and millennials. They navigate life with a unique blend of detachment and quiet competence. This generation does not feel the need to announce every thought. They do not panic at every headline. When things break, they fix them themselves and trust almost no one, yet they persist in moving forward. This is the psychology of ZenX, often referred to as the forgotten middle child generation. ZenX grew up in a world that was very different from yours. Many were latchkey kids with parents who were working, and divorce rates were rising. They returned home to empty houses, made their own snacks, and learned not to expect anyone to hold their hand. This upbringing fostered independence quickly. They learned that if something breaks, they must fix it. If they fall, they get back up. No one is coming to rescue them. Alongside this, they witnessed institutions failing around them, political scandals, economic shocks, and broken promises about loyalty from companies. As a result, they developed a quiet skepticism, believing that respect is earned, not given automatically. ZenX is the generation that has been trained to rely on themselves first. Here are some core traits of a ZenX mindset. Emotional self-control. They were not encouraged to express everything. The prevailing culture taught them to deal with it and move on. This doesn't mean they feel less. Rather, they have learned to separate feelings and actions. Low expectations of the world. Having experienced enough instability, they understand that life is not fair and that systems are often unreliable. Therefore, they have adjusted their expectations. Instead of anticipating perfection, they expect problems. When issues arise, they may feel annoyed, but are not shocked. Strong internal drive. Growing up during the transition from analog to digital, they had to navigate technology, careers, and identity without guidance. This fostered a quiet confidence. I will figure it out as I go. They do not require a step-by-step tutorial for every move they make. In today's hyper-online culture, ZenX may appear distant, but they are simply less reactive. They observe dramas in group chats and the news cycle, often asking themselves whether they truly affect their real lives. This filtering process helps them maintain a calm demeanor, especially compared to younger generations who engage with everything. However, traits like high independence can lead to isolation, emotional distance, and cynicism. You don't need to be born in 1975 to adopt a ZenX mindset. Embrace these three principles. Expect problems, but trust your adaptability. Separate feelings from actions, and focus on skills and supportive relationships. For the next 24 hours, identify a situation that typically triggers you, like online drama or rude comments. Ask yourself, will this matter in a year? If it's just noise, let it go. If it matters, take one calm action. Discover the power of controlling how much of your mind the world can take.